In this video, I will show you how to convert numbers to words in Excel. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, I've got Excel opened, and what I've done, I've just created a quick worksheet for you guys to see how to do this. So as you can see in the first column, we've got a series of numbers, and I've added a second column which says words. So what you're going to learn today is how to convert these numbers to words on Excel. Now, in order to do this, there's not actually a default formula on Excel. What you're going to have to do is open something called a VBA on your Excel. So to do this, what you want to do is hold down the Alt key and press F11, and it's going to take you across to the VBA. Now from here, if you look at the top, you've got some different options, and what you want to do is click onto Insert, and then you want to come down and click onto Module. From here, what we're going to do is just paste some code into here. Now I'll leave a link to this code in the video description down below, but what you want to do is copy and paste that into here, and that's now added a formula that we can use to convert these numbers into words. So once that's done, just go ahead and minimize the VBA, come back to your Excel worksheet, and what you want to do in the box next to the number is type the following. So you want to put a equal sign and then put SP, and after you put that, you should see the formula come up underneath which says spell number. So what you want to do is double click, and this is going to add the formula. As you can see, the complete formula is an equal sign, spell number, then an open bracket. Now what we need to do is select the number that we want to convert. So that's going to be 24, which across here it's A2. So all you can do is simply click onto this cell, and that's going to add that to the formula. After this, what you want to do is put a comma and then a 0, and then finally put a closed bracket. Next, go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard, and just like that, you can see the number has now been converted into its word form equivalent. So if you actually want to copy this formula across the rest of the numbers, what you want to do is make sure you clicked onto this cell here. If you look in the bottom right hand corner, there's like a tiny square, and if you hover over this, the cursor is going to change. Once the cursor has changed, hold down your left mouse button and just go ahead and drag this box all the way down. Let go of the left mouse button, and just like that, it's going to add the other values in. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.